Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to uninstall apps on Windows 11. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Stuck with application on your computer that you no longer use or want, you can easily remove them to free up disk space and unclutter your start menu. Windows 10 and 11 both include a built-in uninstall option available through the start menu, settings screen, and control panel. Cleanly removing a Windows Universal app is relatively easy, and in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, you can just open your start menu here. Now you can tap on settings, click on settings. From here, from home, you can go to apps. There is an option apps. You can click on that. Click on installed apps. From here, here's all the devices, all the apps that installed on your computer or PC. Now, how to uninstall the app? You can just choose on the apps that you want to uninstall. Maybe you no longer use that. For example, you want to uninstall this. You can just click on the three dots on the apps here beside the apps, and there is an option uninstall. You can just click on that, tap on uninstall. So the app will be removed from your laptop or PC uninstalled. It's so simple, right? You can also uninstall more than one apps on your Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. So that is how to uninstall app on your Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.